Want to skip preheating on your Ninja Woodfire oven? Fix it fast. Preheating gives you the most consistent results, but sometimes you just want to get cooking. Here's how to use the hidden skip feature and when it makes sense to use it. Step 1. Set your function, temperature, and time. Turn the dial to your chosen function, adjust the temperature and time as usual. Step 2. Press and hold the right-hand dial. Once you've set everything, press and hold the right-hand dial for 4 seconds. The display will jump to Add Food, and the timer will start. Step 3. Know which functions allow skipping. This works on most heated functions, but some like warm or dehydrate already have no preheat. If you're using Woodfire flavor, the ignition cycle will still run before you can skip. Step 4. Load food quickly. Because the oven isn't up to full temperature, get your food in fast to avoid extended cook times. This is where a good pizza peel or tray liner can save you time and heat. I've linked my go-to peel below. It slides food in smoothly and keeps your hands clear of the heat. Step 5. Expect slightly different results. Skipping preheat can mean less browning or crisping, especially for baking or roasting. Use it for quick items, not for precision bakes. If this helped you master the preheat, skip on your Ninja Woodfire, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a pizza peel for quick loading, I've linked the one I use below. It's heat safe, durable, and perfect for sliding food in without losing heat. Thanks for watching, and skip smart.